Hey everyone, it's Jonathan Walter here at Porsche of Tulsa. Just wanted to talk to you today about the new 2020 911 Carrera 4S. Check out the following video. Today we are showcasing a all-new 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This new generation of the 911 is designated the 992, and this replaces the previous 991.2 911 generation. New technology, along with styling and of course elegance, is presented with this 992. This stunning example is featured in Gentian blue metallic. The new 992 features a wide body design at all trim levels, mimicking the previous generation's 911 turbo trim. A new hood is a throwback to the 993 with the lines, as you can see, extending beyond the headlights. The model designation letters on the back is a retro throwback to the 993 as well. The new Carrera S has 443 horsepower and sprints from 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds, which is faster than the previous generation 911 GTS. The new spoiler is 25% larger than the previous 911. A new 8-speed PDK transmission features even faster shift times and a smoother acceleration feel. The new interior is completely redesigned with wireless Apple CarPlay, a brand new 10.9-inch touchscreen paired with 2 new digital instrument displays. The designated central cup holder rounds out the new minimalistic modern center console. This model features many options, including Sport Package, Premium Package, Sport Exhaust, ventilated and heated seats, lane change assist, dynamic LED headlights, adaptive cruise control, and Porsche Active Safe for collision prevention. The all-new 911 Carrera S is timeless and brings the 911 into the future along with Porsche. Again, this is Jonathan Walter at Porsche Tulsa. Please come out, test drive this vehicle and many more models from Porsche at Porsche Tulsa today. Thank you.